Today, let's take a look at polyurethane foam. In 1939, a team of German chemists made the first polyurethane products by combining an isocyanate with a polyoil. The result has become a worldwide industry, making bedding foam, rigid construction panels, and surface coatings, to name a few. The need for volume production of polyurethane foams has led to the use of high-pressure metering pumps and mix heads. The output of the reacting chemical blend is dispensed into a mold or on a surface. After curing, the product is removed and packaged. Our application required the use of 3/4 inch actuated 3-piece carbon steel ball valves. The problem we were presented with was how to prevent leakage through the valves when the soft seats would regularly see media passing through at 2500 PSI. In this case, the answer required the use of Delrin seats. Delrin is considered a thermoplastic, but with qualities in certain areas that bridge the gap between plastics and metal. Delrin can withstand pressures of 5,000 to 6,000 PSI depending on the valve size, with a temperature range of -70 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. To learn more construction details or to discuss a solution for your problems, please contact us by phone or email. Thanks for watching.